Warcraft Rumble is a mobile action strategy game set within the Warcraft universe, where collectible minis come to life to battle in frantic melee skirmishes, play in multiple modes, including the single-player campaign, going head-to-head in epic PvP battles, and more. Experience the true meaning of joyful chaos. Throughout Azeroth, people can't get enough of this mysterious new machine. A new strategic sensation has swept the land, leaving joyful chaos in its wake. Leaders possess special abilities that allow them to turn the tide of battle. As the backbone of any successful army, playing to their strengths will be important. Experiment with different leaders to adjust your strategy or replay maps for additional rewards. Alliance leaders support defense, healing, and stealth tactics, as well as heavy use of spells. Tyrion Fordring, Maiev Shadowsong, and Jaina Proudmoore devote their skills to the Alliance. Warcraft Rumble brings you frantic mobile action strategy filled with fun characters and unique stages. Play through epically challenging campaign maps and dungeons, or battle in PvP and revel in the mayhem. Collect over 65 Warcraft minis and build multiple armies. Good strategy is the key to victory.